Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I'm going to do a what if tonight. I'm going to do a cloud pearl pour, but I'm going to try to do a ring pour and pour it onto it. So I have a lot of leftover colors, and that's why, and of course I've repurposed canvas, so I thought I'd try something different. Now, I have no idea what these colors are. I know there's a lot of blues and a green. This is Artist Loft in metallic cobalt blue. This, I think, is Prussian blue and Payne's gray mixed. This, I have no idea. It looks a little, I have no idea what this is. This is Amsterdam Pearl Violet. This is the Pinwheel I put into my pour yesterday. And it's thick, so let's thin it out. Perfect. All right, I have no idea if this is gonna work. I always say that. So what do I want to start with? I want to keep the darker colors on the outside. So I think I'll start with the pearl white and the gold. It's going to be kind of hard because these colors are really thin. Try to put some of this in. Don't want to put too much paint in. Ooh. And green gold. This is too much paint. Ooh. I guess I should have, would have been easier. There we go. All right. Payne's gray and blue will probably be best on the outside. So let's flood our canvas. I'm going to put a little bit of, this is the Decoart mix. That's probably way too much. Mix this up yesterday. I mixed a big batch of it because I'm going to be doing a large piece as soon as my GAC 800 comes in. And this is a test canvas. I might do a bigger one tonight. Okay. Whoa. There we go. Just pull that down. All right. Let's rock and roll. See what happens with this. Should be interesting. Straight pour. It's actually kind of pretty, just the way it is. Ooh. Interesting. Pretty cup. Am I on? Hang on a second. There we go. I just wanted to check to see if we're on. See, look at the halo starting around here. This is really interesting. Oh, I see something in it already. Oh, tweezers, please. Don't know if I got that out. tweezer has a hair on it. That's not going to help much. Oh well, if it's not out, it's not out. I'll find out in a second. Oh yeah, it's not out. There it is. Oh. And of course we do have to stretch or we don't get cells, so not going to be a whole lot of negative space here. That's okay. It's just an experiment. Interesting. All right, let's just let it sit for a bit, see what happens. And I might put you on time lapse. Let me move this down a little bit more, get some of that gold off. Straighten out some of them squigglies. I think if I did this on a bigger piece, I'd use less paint. But we'll see what happens. Very interesting. All right, this is my what if for the day. It's part of the creative process. You say what if, and then you think things through, and then you apply it and see if it works. And if it doesn't, at least you know it doesn't. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch this, and I'll put some music on after I torch. guys, so this is the test canvas. I like the effects that I got, and I'm going to go bigger with it now. And yeah, it's kind of cool. I really like it. I did embellishments on both ends so that you could put it, put the orientation either way. So that's not the orientation I would do. I would do it like that. Well, anyhow, I would put it portrait, not landscape. So, on to the big one.